Welcome to the tutorial, How to Share Mesh Data to Shining 3D Cloud. Click on the Share button in the top right corner of the screen. Name the model. After clicking the button, you can set a custom name for the model, such as Toy Angel. Click Select Space. You can also select Save Space. Every Vega user has 5 GB free space in Shining 3D Cloud. Click Confirm. Click the Upload button. The model will be uploaded to Shining 3D Cloud to generate a shareable QR code. Scan this QR code using your mobile phone's camera and click on the link to view the model on your phone. At the top of the page, double-click on the model to label it. Users can share the QR code with friends or colleagues. Once logged in, they can add annotations or comments to the model and share their reviews. Enable Global View. Here you can zoom in on the model view, and you can also have the option to undo this action. In the menu at the top right corner of the mobile interface, you can select the file format you need and download it, get operation guidelines, or view model information. In the lower left corner of the page, you can control the model's texture and shadow settings, as well as rotate the model. With the Explode feature, the model will split apart, enabling users to view each individual part. For example, if you are sharing an assembled mechanical model, you can use this function. Turn on the section feature. Users can choose the section direction. Double-click and move it to see the cross-section of the model. Users can also hide and reverse the section. Click on Measure. You can see the object's minimum bounding dimensions. If you click Section On, press and move the selected plane with one finger, and then click it again. You will see the parameters and area of the selected section. Our cloud platform will continually roll out exciting new features, so stay tuned and look forward to what's coming next. Thanks for watching.